Hello, you sexy people. We're gonna be playing rob Peter to pay Paul. Not really. This is a car that we have acquired from a customer because it is blown up and I locked it. I have unlocked it successfully. Because that's our car too. Problem is oh good, it's unlocked. Please don't have any bugs. The console, our armrest in our car that runs is broke. This is destroyed. I already took it off of ours, so I know how to get to it. But I'm gonna show you guys how to get this armrest off without having to take the whole console apart, things like that. So it's really simple, actually. It's actually really simple. Pull that off. Just pull. That's it. I brought a screwdriver in case I need to do that. And then there's 4 Phillips heads. One. Oh God, front door shut. The ghost of the shop is here. 3, or this is 3. And then this probably is going to fight me. Yeah. Get in there. Honestly, sometimes Phillips heads are the worst. Oh, there it goes. And there we go. We have removed the armrest. Now let's go and stick it to our other car. Stick it to our other car. We're just gonna leave this here. Yeah, this was a junked car because the engine's blown up and it's also got a catalytic converter code. So we're gonna use it as a parts car now. Inside we go. Oh God, I'm stuck. Oh no. Oh, ow. Oh, cramp jerk. Wait, what did I do with the key? Did I put it in my pocket? No. There it is. It's important to grab your key. Don't leave it in the car. Granted, nobody's gonna run away with it because, I mean, it doesn't run. So, to the inside with our fancy new armrest. Old armrest. Right now. As you can see, it is quite broke because it's supposed to look like that, not that. This time, though, I will have more access. Set you guys up here. What are you guys seeing? Good. All right, so there's 2 screws here, 2 screws there. It's pretty as straightforward as you could possibly get it. This one definitely falls under the category of a 1 on the how hard is it scale. I mean, just to help you understand, all I've done is what I did over there. I just pulled the back off and unscrewed it. So the amount of time it takes to change this is the amount of time I have taken to pretty much shoot this video. So you can rest assured that this will be the easiest thing you've ever had to do. Well, one of. There's that, and finally. There. And you just take this. Done. And that's it. Grab the tools. This one's easier to get out of because I'm not cramped. And we have ourselves a beautiful new armrest. I don't know if this will help you, but it's been 4 minutes and 26 seconds. If you can't do that, then take 10 minutes. But yeah, it was real easy. 4 screws, screwdriver. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll probably put this up as just a quick short video. It'll probably be added with another video of a day. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Leave a comment. Consider subscribing. All that good stuff. See you in the next one.